All right, there we go. Good morning, everyone. I'm a little late to class. Less than 15 minutes, so it's fine. Good morning, Doc Pestis. Good morning, Larkson the Draw. Yeah, welcome. Today you're gonna learn math. And good morning, Robert Brown. All right. And good morning, Egost. And good morning, Xavier VT. Answer's five. Hey, but you can't make the answer five. Anyways, I think everything's set up correctly. Uh, hmm. Yeah, I may or may not have had some trouble with OBS. Good morning, Mama. Say, thank you for wishing everyone luck on the test. Now that I think about it, I really should have background music. Okay. Uh, yeah, good morning, class. This is just a classroom, so it doesn't matter if I use copywritten music. Let's see. Well, what's that one Phoenix Wright song? You kids know what it is, right? With the hands on your eyelids. Uh, I, listen, no one's seen that. Oh fuck. uh, damn it. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, and just about everything classical under the sun is under some estate. Well, can do without. So, let me manage my windows a little bit. This shouldn't break anything, but this should make it easier for me. There we go. All right. So, uh, no, I was gonna write "have fun." Use the Brigador soundtrack. That's copywritten. Not free to use. Hmm. Anyways, so yeah, doing a pre-algebra. Okay, yeah. So well, let's start at the very beginning. Uh, Mr. Paperbag, Sir Paperbag. uh, but yeah, so this will be a bit of a review. And so first of all, the easy stuff. Oh, I see. I haven't been to class in a while. Hmm. There we go. You've got to bring a pencil. Have any? Yeah, sure. Right there. And good morning, Victus. What kind of math? Pre-algebra. So this is like a short review of the elementary school stuff. You know, yeah, nothing crazy. But yes. So first, good morning, bearded boy. Math. Just regular math. No. Uh, of course, everyone knows addition. But yes, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Uh, Subtraction. Yeah, we're gonna be using the dot for the multiplication because it's cooler. And it will help a lot once we get to algebra and we're having x's in the equation. Because okay, if you're going like 5 times x, you can see where the well, it wouldn't be. Yeah, well, also normally when you're handling variables like that, you just go like 5x rather than 5 times x. Heard from a bat that numbers aren't real and you don't need to count higher than 10. How many words did you just say? Exactly. I can wear an on the tree. No, don't worry. We're not doing algebra yet. This is pre-algebra. Absolutely no algebra allowed in this house. Hmm. Yeah, of course. If you have any questions, raise your hand. Wait. I misspelled multiplication for a second there. I'm the substitute for today. Good morning, Noodles. Good morning, Hot Tungsten. Cool math games. Let's fucking go. Uh, multiplication and ASMR division. No. Why does a negative times a negative make a positive? Ooh, spicy. Well, yeah. Here's your basics. Imagine using letters in math. Uh. Oh shit. Wait, no, don't tell the PTA that I said shit in class. No. uh, yeah, okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. Why does a negative times a negative equal a positive? Hmm. Okay. Uh. Oh yeah, number line. Yeah. Hmm. Minus the minus, you get meta. Good morning, Carmen Scarlet. High school teacher. This is like elementary school substitute teacher. Did you get a pizza party? Oh, thank you for the anonymous gift sub. Uh, yeah, Principal Sama. Well, now there will be a Kahoot test at the end of this, and the winner, whoever gets the highest score, I guess. The only thing I can do really, and maybe second and third place get a line read. I don't know, but first place, I guess you get to suggest an entire stream or I don't know something. You pretty much get to choose the reward as long as it's reasonable. You don't have enough grades to pass. Extracurricular activities. Yeah. Sunday school. The prize for lowest place. An F. An F in chat. To pay respects. Alright. Anyways. Uh I guess I may as well talk about the number line. So as long as we're talking about numbers at the most basic part. Can't do anything else? Public service. Good morning, Kamiyana. Taking off the paper bag. No. 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 Everyone loves the number line. Alright, so yeah. If you want to think about numbers in one way, one of the easiest ways to think about numbers is just in objects. Just channel. No. Uh, no. I'm not allowed. Not allowed to take it off. So yeah, the classic. Uh, 5 equals 5 apples. Yeah, whatever. You know what I mean. Uh, times 5. And good morning, meet paper bag Charles. No. Divide the rate of inflation at the circumference of a penny. You'll get the square root of the minimum wage. Uh, and good morning, Lark. I I don't know how you'd reach that, but I know that you can't get there. Good morning, Kuragi. To the ISS, the International Space Station. Hmm. Yeah, did I say good morning, Lark? No, yeah, I did. I didn't skip you over. Okay, yeah. You get sadness, yeah. I can guarantee you will not get minimum wage. uh, good morning and good night, Sojourner. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Wait, hold on. No, don't sleep in class. What? uh, Karagi's turned into a Leica reference. How many rats would it take to create a neutron star made out of rats? You'll have to wait for physics. And good morning, Attenborough. Yeah, welcome to math. So, enough goofing around for now. Let's start slowly working on the number line. So, yeah, you end up with the problem of 5.5 equals uh, 5.5 apples. It doesn't work for whole objects too well. I mean, yeah. Okay, you can side me. Oh no. Maybe I don't want to. I assume it's some sort of slang. Please behave in class. But the number line is an easy way of representing real numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So, if you wanted to, so here's a how you can use this. If you wanted to take, so say you have 2. If you want to add 3, you simply move it forward, move the point forward 3 on the number line. You know? And then you'll end up with 5. And that doesn't really do you much. But I guess, another point of the number line is that it helps you visualize. If somehow you can't yet, the decimals. So, oh, there's the dog, the class dog. We feed her leftover pizza from the school lunches. So if you have 2.5, it does. I don't know. Shout loud while Sergeant is trying to sleep. The dog is, yeah. Yeah, for all the artists. If you get something like 2.5, what? No, the dog loves eating the leftover. No. Back in school, I always walked slow because I didn't really care too much. What breed is the dog? Bread. No. Because of all the dough and the pizza. Fall asleep to audiobooks. The dog will keep you up. 2.5. Can you pet the dog? If you can catch the dog. Oh, that's a lot of rats. What's the dog doing barking? Uh, hmm. I guess the number line doesn't help us too much here. But well, this is why I brought it up. Um, I guess if anyone, I guess I could use it to help explain it to some things to other people. And good morning, RCL Idor. But yeah, here's why I wanted to. Oh yeah, fuck, I forgot. I mean, no, don't tell the PTA I said fuck. Frick. So, if you want to start thinking about negative numbers and for some reason you haven't yet, here's where the number line comes in handy. Yeah, eventually it'll help with imaginary numbers. Am I still doing math class? Yeah. What does fuck mean? It means cool. Oh, don't worry about it. Please stop teaching the dog words. Uh, hmm. Uh, I guess if you're just learning about subtraction and you're in like baby school or whatever, but this isn't baby school. This is cool school. This is for this is for the dropouts. Uh, okay. Then next student that says fuck gets detention. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Starting now. Starting now. uh, that's it. Hmm. Where's the? Here we go. No, on timeout. Okay. Okay. No. All beans. Okay. 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 Calm down. So yeah, we showed off addition on the number line, and it's very boring. However, if we want to take 5 and subtract 3, we simply move it back on the number line, and we end up with 2. Uh, does that make sense? Is everyone following? And the problem is, what if we take 5 and we subtract 8? So, if you're in grade school and you're some stupid baby, I mean, I shouldn't be insulting the. Should, no. Anyways, yeah, you'd realize 8 is larger than 5. You can't know that. Hey, stop. Uh, basic cringe. FUQ. You mean to say FAQ? Hmm. Yeah, FAQs are pretty useful sometimes on most topics. So you take it back 8. Adding a negative number is the same as subtracting. There you go. That's another reason for the number line. I guess it helps visualize that. Based to cringe, derivatives, based. So we go 8 in that direction, and we end up at -3. How long is 60 seconds? I could time you out for 10 minutes. Uh, hmm. Just for you to know. You have 5 apples and someone takes 8 apples. You die from touching the 3 anti-apples. No. Based to cringe integrals. Based. If I remember correctly, an integral is the area underneath a slope curve, a graph. It's been a while. I haven't brushed up on this. Hmm. Oh, wait, fuck, it's the opposite of a derivative. Wait. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, well, it's both. Hmm. We'll get to calculus later. Based to cringe, PEMDAS. Based? We'll get to it. Oh, no. Cyanide poisoning. Oh, no. Discrete mathematics. I don't remember what discrete mathematics is. I assume it's pretty based. Uh, uh, oh, that kind of bullshit. Yeah, it's based. Shark comes to take the loan shark comes to take $5,000 and you don't have $10. Does it mean you have negative? You have debt. Did I say good morning, Calavera? Welcome. Anyways, yeah, you end up with -3. And now to answer the question of why is it when you multiply a negative by a negative, you get a positive? So let's say we start with 2 and we multiply it by 3. So what we do is we take this distance and we repeat it 2 more times. We repeat it a total of 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, and we end up with 6. Do you have math homework? Good morning, dear Ba. There's no. I'm one of the cool teachers. I can't give homework because they won't let me. Uh, do you understand that multiplication is just adding multiple times? But yeah, we ended up with three of the two distances, and we got 6. But what happens if we take, oops, if we take 2 and we multiply it by -3? No longer allowed to give homework. I'm a cool teacher. Yeah. Oh, the loan sharks. Good morning, corpse. Sorry, can you do the rest of the lesson in base 12? It's a period system. Uh, you're one of those. Hmm. uh. Hmm. Nah, I forget what the symbol for 10 is. I know there's the upside down too. The does it have the line through it? I don't remember. Uh, binary is all you need. But anyways, so we take 2, but we do it backwards 3 times. So instead of starting at 0 and having 3 lengths of 2, we're gonna start at 0 and go 3 lengths of 2 backwards. Groups have 6 fingers. No. Uh. Bam, bam, bam. And we end up at, well, there's a -6 there. But if you start with -2 and you multiply by 3, you of course go backwards still, but I thought the whole point is that the base 12 is even cleaner because of factorials. We will get into factorials as well because that's very important for understanding a lot of algebra. So, if you start with -2, you simply go, and so if you go backwards and then you go backwards again, you end up going forwards. You know? There you go. Uh, no, someone has done the. I believe there's a agreed upon symbol for 10 and 11 in base 12. It's been a while. The decimal system. I think that's. I think that's correct. Duodecimal. Fuck. It's an X for 10. Hmm. Or A and B. If you're programming it. Hmm. Anyways, what does 12 have to do with baseball? Ah, don't worry about it. Textbook, you have asked for base 8. Like base 10 if you're missing your thumbs. Informal convention. Yeah, just like hexadecimal in terms of programming and addresses and all that fun stuff. Hmm. Anyways, I think we've had our fun with the number line so far. I mean, I don't need to erase that. Yeah, let me just group these so I don't have to worry about it. Oh my goodness, I colored the things. Ah! I should be using Control G. Up to 28 extra symbols, yeah. Invisible numbers. What? No. No, you can't do that. Anyways. You don't understand what I'm saying. The number line is a little silly. Are we doing? Imaginary numbers are not today. That's later. It won't be useful for any of this. Yeah. I thought about doing a bit about the Sinnoh's perfect math class. Uh, I don't know that well enough. And by that, I mean really at all. I may have to refund you. I. It's not a sing and redeem. I can't. You can't game the system like that. I'll refund you later. Uh, Zero expectations. I'm sorry, I just shattered your expectations. Uh, also, it's just recalibrating the smart board. Yo, the whole class would just lose their fucking mind when smart boards came out. It was great. uh, uh, I. Mm. Okay. Uh, Anyways, let's work with. You refunded. Oh, you can do that. Oh shit. Uh, I suppose the next place to go is simply fractions. Uh, oh yeah. Negative numbers are just numbers but backwards. Uh, I'm not as good at explaining the simple stuff because I don't know how. I assume everyone knows negative numbers. Now, I guess if you have any questions about it, then yeah. Fractions. So, if you want to write, if you want to do, hmm, fuck it. It's the pizza. Okay, so we're feeding the class dog pizza, but only one slice. And and we got 5 students also need slices. So 6 people are getting a slice of pizza. So we divide it into. Hold on. Yeah. This is 6. Sorry, it took me so long to do that. uh, so we feed one to the dog. We have one slice gone, gobbled up, and we're left with how much of the pizza? 5/6. Sixths. You don't like Canadian bacon? Coward. Listen, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. No. This isn't in Canada. No. This is in America. That's why that's why you're all going to school this late in life. No. No French. No. uh but anyways, fractions are useful for displaying a portion of a number. So, hmm. Yeah, I mean, it's for like real world examples like that, but we'll be learning Common Core. I'm not gonna teach. I'm not gonna teach the weird bullshit. Well, isn't it like you go 10 and then so like 10 - 3, you subtract 5 from both sides and you go. I You subtract 5 from 10, and then you end up with 5, and that, oh no, and that doesn't equal. I don't get that bullshit. I guess, yeah, the number line is far superior. In terms of Common Core, there's no compromise. I refuse. But yes, fractions. The main use is if I want to take 10 and divide it by 3. I Yeah, it's no, don't think about it. It's not. It makes some sort of sense if you think about it hard enough, but it's not good. Don't Okay. Don't think about it. You'll get detention. So we end up, yeah, we'll get. Well, yeah, that's if you reduce it. So we can, if you write that out, we'll get the. So you make thirds. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You end up with 3 and 1/3. Wow. Fractions main use nowadays helping people's brains cope with the enormity of marathon streams. Really? What does that mean? Uh, I guess that's the best basic overview of fractions I can give. Hmm. If there's any other questions about fractions. Uh, hmm. Oh, what's okay? Hold on. No, I'm a smart teacher. Check this out. Part 1. So we can understand fractions by themselves, but not within an operator yet. Oh, and you can just say we take 10 over 3 and subtract 2. We can reduce we can look at 10 over 3 as why is dividing by a fraction like multiplying by its inverse? Uh, because it's just dividing. We'll get to that in a bit. Now, after I talk about multiplication. I should have talked about multiplication first. Decimal, let's go. No, hold on. So we can end up with 3 and 1/3 minus 2. And then, yeah, you can simply say, oh, we've got 3 whole ones. We can remove those, and we'll end up with 1 and 1/3. There you go. So some fucking lunatic sliced the pizzas into 3 slices each. Uh, and 2 of the pizzas went to the dog, and now we're left with 4 oversized slices. So yeah, and yeah, the same as 4 over 3. But anyways, let's go on to multiplication. Lunch lady, no, it was one of the students. Uh, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to let the students use the pizza cutter, but I'm not paid to give a fuck. uh, did I misspell multiplication in the first panel? Multiplication. uh, don't. I'm not the English teacher. Please understand. I'm sorry. Uh, so, here's the easiest way to think about this. Here's your basic baby stuff. 3 apples. Everyone saw? No. And we have so 3 apples in a box. And then we've got the no, and then we've got the 4 boxes. So 4 boxes of 3 apples is count it up, count it up. Hurry, 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 hurry. Too late. The answer's 12. But anyways, yes. Uh you could just think about it as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 4 times. Now we saw that with the number line. It's a lot of apples. Really? Is it? Huh. But the easier way to think about it is in terms of geometry. Uh, and this works this way. You can like apply this line of reasoning to this as well. It'll make sense in one moment. 3. How do you explain multiplication by 0? You end up with nothing. You have empty boxes. So there's 0 apples in a box and you have 4 boxes. And we have 4. And wow. So yeah. 4 sets of 3 boxes. Keeping the doctor away for almost 2 weeks, yeah. No boxes with 3 apples each. Yeah, that as well. But check this shit out. Geometry. I thought you learned about squares in baby school. Anyways, there we go. So we end up with 12 units. Is this that funny? 12 whatever. Oh, and this, we end up with 12 units squared. There you go. So say this is 3 inches. This is 4 inches. We end up with 12 square inches. Because they're square, yeah. Well, anyways. Now let's do something that is more important. Now, this is something that people actually have trouble with sometimes. Long multiplication, I guess. Now I guess I should do the long math. We're gonna go through all of these. 12 to the power of 2 is 144? It's not, no. Not supposed to multiply the number. The units are. It'll make more sense once we get to algebra. Shut up. The long man? I don't know what that is. You're scaring me. No. But anyways. So addition. So yeah, you know how to add 3 plus 4. You've memorized it, at the very least. You just add it up on the number line if you're having an extreme amount of trouble. But it's 7. Long man? No, you can't distract me from class. No, I'm invested in I'm invested in this. What if we have? Oops. 123 plus 498. Now, on a basic level, this is too big brain for you for you little idiots. No. But Yeah, long addition is pretty simple. You just take each place. Uh, I'm, I'm sorry. Uh, and so 3 plus 8 is 11. Now 11 is too big to fit in one digit place. So we'll end up with 11 like this. And then we go to the next digit, but we already have a number here. Anyways, 2 plus 9 equals 11 as well. We go like this. Differential equations. Not today. We end up with 110, because this is 20 plus 90. And then we add 100 and 400, and we get 500. And then now we've got an equation that we can solve ourselves. 1, 2, 6. So 621. Now, the easy way to do this is, this saves much more paper if you simply do this. So we already ended up with the 1 there. And instead of writing it out again like this, you can't, oh no, you can kinda, depending on how bad the numbers are, it can end up a little silly. Wait, no, let me check. 999 plus 999. Let's break the system right after this. So, yeah, instead of writing the whole thing downwards like that, we put the 1 up there, so we add 1, 2, and 9 together. And we get 3 plus 9, so we get 12, and we carry the 1, and we get 1, 1, 4, end up with 6. Much, much, much easier. It's 498. I'm like cringe 498. 9 plus 9 is 18. Yeah. And then you carry 1, and then you end up with, yeah, a 9. Carry the 1, 9. Yeah, 1998. Bro, this math teacher is so strict. It's like 1998. Heard that was a good year. Was that for the? Oh yeah, the math for video games as well. Yeah, that's when all the cool ones came out. And what about subtraction? If we do 400, 90, 400, yeah, 419 minus 145. There we go. Breath of the Wild 1998? Excuse me? You mean Ocarina of Time? So, of course, just taking the numbers right here, it'd be a little bit difficult. 74. Hey! Exactly. Probably. No. Exactly. That's what you get. So, we can subtract 5 from 9 rather easily. 4. But now we come to a problem once we're subtracting 4 from, from 10. I mean, 40 from 10. So, now we just borrow. So, we end up with 10 minus, we end up with, instead, we do basically like this, 11 minus 4. End up with 7. Good morning, Vicekari. Why pre-algebra this morning? Because the state said that I have to show up to class to teach. No. So yeah, we can do. Yeah, it's essentially the same as 11 minus 4. And then instead of having the 4 here, we're gonna have a 3. So, well, to make it more exact, 110 minus 40, and we're taking that 100 from the 400's place. It's the Baggates. No. No, you kids are alright so far. And then, now we've got 300 minus 100. And then put 2. 274. Although one student shouted the answer out immediately, so never mind. No, no, no. Calc 3. I'm working up to that kind of stuff. But yeah, long addition and long multiplication. Teach you? That's what you're here for, right? Uh, but anyways, yeah, that's we're working up to it. But now we get to do the fun part. So yeah, everyone can do 3 times 4, and you get 12. So now here's the fun part. Let's do 12 times 34. Let's go. Teach him a lesson at recess? No. No, I stay in. You know, recess is for those teacher's breaks, right? Long scale versus short scale is fun too. Eh? Wait, what does that mean? In what context? But anyways, yeah, if you want to do, you can add 12 to itself 34 times, or 34 to itself 10 times. And that would work, but it takes a while. But instead, he's gonna give you a swirly. Probably. What you want to do is you want to break it apart like so. Yeah, whatever, you don't need to draw that shit. So, instead we're gonna do 4 times 12, and then we're gonna do 30 times 12. And then even then, you can break it down even more. So, 4 times 2, we get 8. 4 times 10, we get 40. 30 times 2, we get 60. And then 30 times 10, we get 300. Now we've broken it down into a way that we can actually do million, milliard, billion, billiard versus million, billion, trillion. Robert, you're gonna get a swirly for that. All right, but yeah, so 8, and then long addition. We end up with 10, so we 0, and we carry the 1, and now we've got 4. I write in almost Pikmin font. Enough giggling. You've never seen it solved like this. You can do it an easier way and just do. So, this is long multiplication. Teacher wrote a bad word. They'll never believe you. 2 times 4 plus 2 times 30 plus 10 times 4 plus 10 times 30. Yeah, exactly. Or you could just do 4 times 12, and we end up with 48, and then 3 times 12, and we end up with, 30 times 12, and we end up with 360. Although, yeah, that's exactly the same. One way that I learned in school that is actually kind of neat for writing it down. Now, this is fucking goofy, but I did it a lot because it worked. Let's go. 12 times 34. Now, if you look at this, it'll make sense. But this is batshit crazy. Okay. So 2 times 4, 0, 8. 2 times 3, 0. Wait, no. Yeah, 0, 6. 1 times 4, 0, 4. 1 times 3, 0, 3. So, and then we add up the numbers in the rows. If you think about this a little bit, it's just exactly the same as what we just did. So 8, 10. Good morning, Yansu. Video games. 10, so we end up with 0, and we carry the 1 up here. And 1 plus 3 is 4, so 408. Where did the zeros come from? Just because there's nothing in that half of the box. No video games in class. I've got my DS on the desk right now. It's not a laptop. That's my Nintendo DS Lite. Punnett squared. A little bit, but yeah. If you look at this, we just did it this before, but easier. 12 times 34. We ended up with 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 10, 40. 2 times 3, 30 times 2, whatever. 60. And then, yeah, 300. Good morning, Mighty Germ. Welcome to math class. We're doing long multiplication at this very moment. So, yeah, you can look over and you can see what's actually going on. So, 0, 8. 0, 40. Yeah, there's nothing in the hundreds place here. And there you go. Now you can see exactly where these numbers, how this works. You learned something. Oh, what the hell do you think I was here for? Play your Game Boy SP with the sound off? Detention. No. Use Punnett squares to simulate the theoretical children of any two VTubers. It's fucked up. Okay, I'll be honest. I actually don't remember long division that well. Hmm. Let's do. No, that already happened. Was that Hanabi that drew that? Let's do 598 divided by 14. Right? Don't remember long division that well. Math teacher. We'll see. So. 28, 42. Yeah, 42, of course. 6. Oh, we'll get into factorials in a moment. 42. And then, yeah, 56. So, yeah, we can, so 56 is 14 times 8, 14 times 4. Yeah. So, we can multiply 14 times 4 and we get, no, not 48, fuck, 56. So, yeah, we can't, 14 is greater than 5, so we can't fit 14 in there at all. But, yeah. So then we go 14. We can fit 1 in there, 2, 3. We can fit it in there 4 times until we can't get any more. Because we need to take the leftover, like so. So 3. Of course, 14 can't go into 3. 38. And then, now, we do exactly the same. Oh yeah, this is the decimal place. I never bothered with decimals yet. I assume you can figure out decimals. No, whatever. But yes, so we can fit 14 into 38 twice. We get 28. So yeah. Uh, yeah, we just bring down the number each time that we can, and now we're left with 10. 14 cannot fit into 10, so we have to bring another zero down and turn it into 100. So 14 can go into there. Let's see, 56, so 4, so 7 times. 7 times 4, 28, 98. Hmm. And we end up with 2. And now we have to take down a 0, because of course it can't fit into 2. Oh no. Uh, this is getting out of hand. Uh, yeah, we can fit that in there once. This might be an irrational no. Well, of course this isn't a fucking irrational number. This is the very definition of a rational number. It might repeat on forever though. Uh, so we subtract 14, we end up with 6. Bring down to 0. We can fit that in there 4 times, we end up with a 4. So yeah, minus 56. 40. Anyways, you want to learn about rounding numbers? I'm not going to continue doing this anymore. But the basic gist of long division is that you do this. The real answer is you plug it into your calculator and you get the correct answer. Yeah, that's what you're going to be doing in high school. uh, unless you're bored and you don't want to take out your calculator and you'd rather do the math. But as far as rounding goes, you're in middle school. Yeah, too bad. So you go to the place that you're rounding, and you round up or down. Uh, yeah, a 5 goes up. You know how to round, right? Ignoring Bunzel. Division with negatives. You never learned in real school. Uh, you just okay. It's a negative 14. Okay. Uh, hmm. Dumbass school, middle school dropouts. You get calculators in that, I think. I don't think they make you think in those classes. I know someone. Uh, if they're both negative, positive. There you go. Well, now you know about how to do long math. Uh, but uh, hmm. Let's look into factorials first. So, this will help with division and in fractions and a hell of a lot of things under the sun. So, mostly just dividing numbers. So, say you have a number like 6. Now, how can you break that apart in terms of uh leftover expo marker to pull out the fabric? No, you'll get ink all over your hands. You can't do that. Hmm. So say we have six pieces of something. Of course, we can have 6 single pieces. There we go. We can have, let's say we group them into 2 pieces. Try erase board ASMR. I don't have one. we can group it into pieces of 2, and we can group those 6 pieces into 2 groups of 3. Like so. 6 imposter. Is this how you have to teach school nowadays? Do you have to do math and Amogus jokes? I could understand if that was true. Or you can divide it into 3 groups of 2. Or you can just do 1 group of 6. Common Core is different. For factorials? I have no idea how factorials is supposed to be taught. I don't remember it at all. But these are all the whole numbers that can go into 6. Now, realistically, you can see over here, once we reach about the halfway point, it just repeats. So, oops, we don't... There we go. And as far as factorials go, we've got 6, 1, 2, and 3. So, now, if you have 6, whoops, if you have 6, and you have, and you need to divide it by 3, you know, it's 2. But, you have 6 Amogus and 1 imposter. What percentage Amogus is sussy? I see. No. You monster. This is 20%? No. It's 1 over 7. Not 1 over 6. Wait, how'd you get 20% from... Oh, wait. It's completely wrong. You have 6 and the 1, and there's 7 of these fucking things. So you end up with oops. Yeah, you end up with 1 over 7 and equals whatever the fuck over 100. So 100 divided by 7. Don't ask how I got to there. That's algebra. Don't think about it. But anyways. Oh yeah, you need this for fractions, so let's take a look at another number. Send you watched all the long men videos? Let's take a look at so for 6. We don't really need the 6 and the 1 for the factorials. So we can just look at the 6 is 2 and 3. 16 point something? Maybe. You could do long division for that. Yeah. Yeah, that would work. Well, what the fuck did I do? No, 100 divided by 7, not 7 divided by 100. Yeah, okay. So, and then let's take a look at another number, and we'll get right on this. We'll get this to another example real quick. Right, to another topic. So 8, of course, 8 and 1. Can you divide 8 by 2? Yes, then you'll get 4. So, we've got 2. Oh yeah, the easiest way also is, you can just keep on dividing it by numbers, and if it goes in evenly, it'll always be there. Oh, okay, so 2. We can divide it by 2 again. Well, yeah, and then we can divide it by 2 again. So 8. We can divide by 2. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And then we can reduce it even further to 2 times 2 times 2. No, this is certainly not the proper way to explain this. But for 8, you get the factorials 3 times. Uh, so factorials is just the lowest numbers that aren't 1 that you can use to multiply together to get that number. And let's take something like 13. Can 13 be divided by 1? Yeah. So you get 1, whatever. 2? No. 3? No. Etc. etc. 13's only factors are 13 and 1. So, yeah. 13 is a prime number. So, yeah, if you ever get a factorial of 13, that means I don't know, you did something right. But yes, 2 is a prime number, and so is 3. Now, a prime number is anything that can't be divided by anything other than itself evenly. This is kind of silly. I feel a bit off topic, but let's bring it back. Let's say we wanted to do something. We've got 6 over 8. And this is where factorials come in handy. So, and we know the factorials for these, for 6 and 8. In case you're wondering, no, we'll get into it. So we can break this down into 2 times 3 over 2 times 2 times 2. Prime number is any number greater than 1 that can only be divided by 1 or itself. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 1 isn't prime, or something like that. That depending on your interpretation. Now, for stuff like this, for fractions or division, same difference. A fraction is just division. Now you've learned it. I think I explained that earlier, but we can simply remove the 2's and we end up with 3 over 2 times 2, so 3 over 4. So now we've learned that 6 over 8 is exactly the same as 3 over 4. They included 1, but it was annoying, so 1 got kicked out. Okay, yeah. Die in the raid if you don't know that. I see. So yeah, you can look at it like this as well. Well, yeah, we can prove this in that, let's see, divide it by 8. So yeah, we don't have these ones. We just got 6 out of 8 is the same as 3 out of 4. Eh? Now the thing is, yeah, if you have a number with a lot of factorials, it makes stuff a lot easier. The thing is, 10 only has 2 and 5. So, if you've got, if you have a number over 10, or if you have 10 in a fraction anywhere, you can only reduce it by, or divide it by 2 or 5 to make it smaller. So let's say we've got the 58 over 10. We can simply, because they're both even, we can reduce it by half, and we end up with 29 over 5. Now the thing is, with the duodecimal system is, oh no, 12 has the factors of, let's see, 2, well, I don't remember the correct terms for factors and whatnot, but if you break 12 down all the way, you get 2, 2, 3? 58 divided by 2? What? No. Uh, but yeah, 9. Good morning, Pig. Welcome to math. Uh, yeah, 58. The 5 isn't even. It's odd, so you know we have 18 left over. So yeah, I'll get into that in a moment. But yeah, the easiest way to determine factorials, factors. Fuck, wait, maybe I've got some terms mixed up. Oh no. But anyways, yeah. So 2, 4. You can also just write it as 4 times 3. Uh, hmm. Anyways, basically, more different numbers go into 12 than go into 10. Now, granted, 5 doesn't go into 12 easily, but everything else does. Oh, factorials are. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, and 6 as well. Yeah, so you can do 2 times 3 is 4, and 2 times. Wait, did I say 2 times 3? 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 3 is also 6. So there you go. All the separate numbers are 2, 3, 4, and 6. So if you ever want to get 12 from anything, or if you ever want to divide 12 by anything, you've got a handful of numbers. Uh, yeah, let me just give some quick tips on this. So, of course, you know, if a number, you know even numbers, right? I mean, I guess. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And anything that ends in 0. I don't remember if 0 gets counted as even. I think it does. Yeah. So any number that ends in an even number is divisible by 2. I'm certain you remember that. Uh, yeah. So 38 is obviously divisible by 2. So because it ends in an even number, so we can just write it as 19. 19 is prime, so the factors for 38 is 2 and 19. What about 11? 11 is prime. Now 11's factors are 11 and 1, so it doesn't do anything. What? 1 is not an even number. What are you talking about? Hmm. But hmm. You're thinking about words. This is not English class. You get in detention. But here's the real trick. You confused? You can divide 38 by 2 easily. Let's do 1, 2, 8, 4, 7, 7, 5, 0, 9, 2. So we know that this number is divisible by 2 because it ends in an even number. It'll take a while. What do you mean? 9 times 2 is 18. So I guess the easy way to do something like this is we know that 3 and 8. So we know that 3 is uneven. So now there's no way to reach 38 by adding two numbers that don't make it. We need to add it. I don't know how to explain this that well. Uh, so say it was, we can reach 28 very easily because 2 is even. We can divide it by 1, 4, easy. But 38, I guess we get the 20, and then we end up with 18, and then we get 9. Oh yeah, that's just long division. There you go. So in case you want an easy example of long division this time. So 2 goes into 3 one time. When we subtract 2, we end up with 1. We bring the 8 down. 18, 14. Yeah, 28 divided by 2 is 14. Get 18. 2 goes into there 9 times. Subtract 18. And then you get 0, and then there you go, you're done. So, yeah. I don't know. There's a better example of long division. But here's the important. Here's the thing that I wanted to teach. Let's see. If you add all the digits in a number together, and it's divisible by 3, then that means the number is divisible by 3. So check this shit out. Let's say we got 141. 141,273. No, 70. This number is divisible by 3. So, check this out. There might be some mathematical, I guess, reason for this, but I don't know the proof or whatever. Let's add all these numbers together. All the digits. So, 5, 6, 8, 7, 15. Okay, we get 15. Let's add all the digits together. 1, 5, we get 6, and that's divisible by 3. Oh, have a good night, Victus. Sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. So, if you ever need to divide a number by 3, you can tell if it'll go in evenly, like so. So let's do that. Let's do another example of long division. And please don't forget your homework. 1, 4, 1, 2, 7, 0. So 3 cannot go into 1. 3 goes into 14. You can do 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 2, 1. That's 7 minus 21. And we get 0, 2, 0, 2, 7. We get 9 minus 27. We get 0, and I add 0. All right. So yeah, 141,270 divided by 3 equals 47,090. I hope you're all able to follow along with that. Yeah, now you know that the long division isn't that scary. I think. Maybe I didn't convince you that well, but anyways. No, I really don't know why it works like that, but as long as if you can add all the numbers together and get something that's divisible by 3, that means that the whole number is divisible by 3. Yeah. So yeah. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 7. Yeah, that goes up. That goes up. There's 0. Goes up. And then, yeah, 9. 3 times 9. And that goes up. And then 0. And that goes up. I hope I taught one person long division now. I should have had some long division questions on the test. But fuck, what's next? Yeah, I know there's something else that I'm forgetting. Oh, PEMDAS. Oh. So, well, we should explain exponents first. So, here's the easiest. 3 to the power of 2. Uh, Everyone knows this squares, yeah? So yeah, 3 to the power of 2 means it's squared. 2 means you multiply it by itself 2 times. So 3 times 3, correct, is 9. Yeah. Uh, we can do the same. 4 squared equals 4 times 4. Squares 4 sides? Kinda. I mean, this is why it's called squared. Yeah, 16. So say we want 3 squared. It's the same as going 3 by 3. And that's 9. 3 units, 3 units, 9 units squared. 9 square units. Squares Cheez-Its? No snacks in class. No. But yeah, there you go. What? 4 squared? 4. 4? Sure. You can eat snacks in class. I'll be a cool teacher this one time. In fact, please do if it helps you. I guess, yeah, you can't hear each other. But yeah. That's 16. Cool teacher. No. Cool math games. You can't play cool math games in class during the lesson. Uh, and then cubed. So it's called. Shit, old dog new tricks. You can listen to your own music with headphones. Yeah, that's totally why there's no background music right now. So you can listen to music in another tab. Totally. uh, but did everyone sign up for the paper bag class? No. Unfortunately, math is mandatory. So you may or may not get assigned my class. Anyways, let's do 3 to the power of 3. So, oh shit, I forgot to touch on, I guess, division and fractions and the inverse and all that fun stuff. Multiplication of fractions. I'll have to do that in a moment as well. But that is equal to. So the 3 means, the exponent means you have to multiply it by itself 3 times. Get the Guagura class. Uh, did she teach 2 times 2 and not know how to do it? Pokey. Okay, as long as you don't eat it, you're fine, right? So, so we can 9 times 3 equals 27. There you go. So 2 by 2 is 2 by 1? What? It's in D&D club. The D&D club at school. I guess. Sure. I knew the teacher that did the anime club and he was miserable. He like had to miss out on his wife's birth because of of an anime convention. Not really, but it was something silly like that. That's a complete lie, but it's too close to the truth. I think he just had days off for once. But yeah, 4 to the power of 3 equals 4 times 4. His wife's birth. Yeah, the time that his wife gave birth. Wait, no, not like that. E equals 64. Oh, let's do some long multiplication here. You just keep 4 times 16 We get 6 times 4 is 24. And we add the 4 times 10 equals 40. So we get 64. There you go. But anyways, yeah, there's my math on this one. This is actually the background conversations. Yeah, pretty much. There's no trying to get the teacher to like talk about his divorce, so you just get to ignore everything. uh, hmm. Good times, good times. No, no. Anyways, now the power of 3 is called, so 3 cubed, and okay, check this shit out. You play magic cards? Not during the lesson. If you finish your homework, yeah. Saw 3 squared. What about? Oops. 3 cubed. Nah. I imagine doing the math on that one. Would you get in a divorce? Sadness. She took everything, god damn it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, if you add up all of these together, you will get 27. If you built this out of sugar cubes in class, the wife took the dog. Get oops. The units by 3 units by 3 units. And we'll get 27 units, 27 cubic units. Roblox cube? Robots for everyone? Yeah, no, there's no homework. I can't. I legally can't give you homework. uh, hmm. But yes. Now, fractions part 2. We'll get into negative exponents in one moment. Every pony. Hey, detention. $19 Rubik's Cube. Roblox? Wait, what? Hmm. You can't. No. No. So, and for learning algebra, we'll need to think about fractions this way. $19 Fortnite card. What? Detention. Uh, so let's say we want to multiply 3/4 by. If you have a family of 5 and you remove 4, what do you get? Broken family. Exactly. Um, uh, uh, I'm a teacher. I don't know what the fuck a meme is. I'll give homework because you're on the pizza party. Yeah, no pizza party. No. Oh yeah, we're getting kind of close to getting ready for the Kahoot quiz. That'll be at the very end. Uh, so I don't know. 3/5. Well, yeah. No, no, no. Let's do an easy example first, so I can show it off one bit at a time. Oops. Times 2/4. Quiz today? Yeah, yeah. You didn't study? Uh, so wait, this doesn't work that way. Uh, if your name on Kahoot isn't your username, it doesn't count as a win. The username of the highest Kahoot, the highest score on Kahoot, is go the The reward goes to that user in chat. You doing raids in Destiny 2 all night? Okay, you're gonna lose. Okay, fine. Never mind, this doesn't actually work out that well. But if you want to multiply fractions together, you multiply the top and the bottom. So we get 3 times 2 over 4 times 4. I didn't give you the study guide. This is the study guide. Let's take a look at this on in a square. So we have... Oh no. Wait, we need fourths. Good morning, Christmas. Welcome to math. There we go. So we have 3 over 4 times 2 over 4. By cutting that bag into pieces, because it's funny. So we go like, yeah, whatever. There's the 2s. So yeah, this is 2 out of 4. And then we get the 3s. Yeah, there you go. Here's your answer area. Begs my brother. I'm hardcore? That's how much I got in the divorce. I didn't get shit in the divorce. Stapled it tied to his chest. Is that what gamers do? But anyways. We end up with 3 times 2 over... 3 times 2 parts of 4 times 4. You see? You know what I mean? And we end up with 6 over 16. So we have 6 pieces out of 16. 16 squared, whatever, you know? However, with our cool knowledge of factors, we can divide these both by 2. So, in fact, if we're cool, we would have done that beforehand. In fact, if we're even cooler, we would have done that even further beforehand. But anyways, so we can divide both of these by 2, so we end up with 3 over 8. And the bag is just a pigman dancing around. You scaring me. No, I've got my gamer strategy guide in under my arm. Don't worry about it. No, no. Oh yeah, the fucking like weird Looney Tunes like gangster T-shirts. Hmm. You may have noticed this earlier. Well, okay, now let's go about dividing this properly. We could have reduced this beforehand, and we would have ended up with 3 over 4 times 1 over 2. And so we just end up with 3 over 8. But let me let you in on a secret. So, yeah, you don't know the... I don't know the Looney Tunes deep lore. But let's say we've got the 4 divided by 16, not 12. Think about it this way. Yeah, it's also the same as 4 over 12. Division is just fractions. Tweety Bird. I don't know enough about Looney Tunes. No. But anyways. So, yeah, 4 over 12. It's also the same as... Check this shit out. You can have 1 in the bottom of a fraction if you've got a whole number. 4 over 1 times 1 over 12. There you go. If anyone has any questions about the math and not about Looney Tunes, I'm happy to explain. Butterfly method. That's when you cross up the nonsense. But yeah, in terms of reducing, you can also reduce across the whole equation because yeah, you can see here 4/3 times 2/4 is exactly the same as 3 times 2 over 4 times 4. That's for dividing by fractions, correct? So if you want to do, I don't know, 3/4 divided by, I don't know, 1/2 again. Math's version of drag. What? That doesn't make any sense. What do you mean? So, yeah, you multiply them across. However, think about it this way. This is the much easier way. If you're going to divide by a number, it's exactly the same as multiplying by the inverse. So, 3 over 4 times 2 over 1. You don't need to do any dumb bullshit where you like multiply it across. Whatever. You just fucking flip this one. You know? And there you go. So if you think about it, here's the easiest way to show it to you. If you divide anything by 1/2, you're just getting twice that number. So how many times... if you think about it, any number, so like 5 divided by 1 over 2. 6 over 4? I mean, that's 3 over 2. Oh yeah, that one, yeah. That's 1.5. Yeah. And if you want to reduce this early, you can look at the factorials of everything here, and you can say 6 over 4 is 2? What the fuck are you talking about? It's the same as 3 over 2. How do you get 2 over 1? So we know that 3 over 2 times 2, if we're to break 4 apart into different numbers, 2 times 1, you can just remove those 2's, and you end up with 3 over 2. And that's why I wanted to teach factorials, so... yeah. Not factorials, factors. There's one more thing. Oh yeah, exponents part 2. If anyone has any math homework they want me to do, I'll do it on stream after the quiz. Just ask me a question, I'll fucking do it. Because it'll be fun. So, what happens when you have a negative exponent? So 3 to the power of negative 2. You may say, what the hell are you doing? That's messed up. But you can absolutely do it. So with positive numbers, the opposite was negative numbers for like addition and subtraction or whatever. But for this, it's the inverse. So we end up with 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 equals 1 over 9. So it's just exactly the same, but in fact, here's the important thing. You can have something like 4 to the power of negative 1, and you just get 1 over 4. Good morning, Coakley. Zoomer math or algebra or what? This is just exponents. This is pre-algebra. Now we're getting there. Welcome to math. Uh, Junior year, yeah, pretty much. Oh yeah, I guess maybe sophomore. Really? I don't know how math is supposed to go. Sophomore, hardless. Uh, oh yeah. In case you're wondering about, well, I guess this fits in fractions. Oh no, not exponents. Anyways, uh, no. Cookie cheated on the math section, the Twitch partner application. Chocolate. Oh no, back to the allergies. Uh, Irrational numbers. You use that for numbers, right? I don't know. Kids these days only think about hashtags. So, a rational number is any number that you can express as a fraction. If you're dividing a number by a number, it will always be a rational number. So, if we've got something silly like 2 over 3, I care about where hash browns, let's fucking go. Answers are on Google? Wait, there's not an actual math section, right? Seems hilarious if there is. Uh, so if you were to write this, it isn't, it's really hard. Sounds easy. Uh, so if you divide 2 by 3, let's do long division. Let's go. Hold on. So 3 divided by 2. Now we end up with 2 goes into 3 one time. Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, this is 3 divided by 2. Ah, I messed up. That's why I almost did this. Holy fuck. Uh So this is the proper notation for 2 divided by 3. So 3 can't go into 2 properly. So 2, 0. So, teacher, why are you messing up? No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So 3 can go into 26 times. All right. So yeah, 3 times 3, then you can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So, subtract 18, and 6, whatever. And we end up with 2. Okay, let's carry down to 0. How many times? 18. Oh, shit. Oh, no. We just keep on going 6. Repeating. See me after class badge? No. No, you can't do that. But anyways. While this number keeps going. So yeah, 2 over 3 equals 0.6. Repeating. Thank you for the sub, Kokui. The line over the number means it repeats infinitely. Or if you want to round it, it would be something like 0.667. But yeah. No, Satan, no. Yeah, and good morning, Captain Cube. Yeah, well, welcome to math. So, this keeps on going, but you thought it was 1.45. I got the number wrong. I did 2. So if you want to see 3 divided by 2 in terms of long division, so 1, yeah, we can subtract 1, 2 by 1 or whatever. Yeah, there you go. 1, and we carry the 0. 3.0. 1 point. How many times does 2 go into 10? We can do it 5 times. And there we go. Summoning the Demon Lord math class? No. So yeah, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Or you could just look at it like this and go 3 over 2. And you just look at it like 1 and 1 over 2. And you know what 1 over 2 is, right? It's just, and then, yeah, 1.5. There you go. We don't need that, though. Now, an irrational number, you're probably not going to encounter this while you're doing math. So, I guess, know that. An irrational number is a number that can't be expressed by a fraction. So, pi is everyone's favorite. There's the golden ratio. Irrational. No. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah. Yeah, 3.14159, etc., etc., etc. Non-repeating. You cannot express pi as a fraction. There's an approximation that's some silly fraction. No, wait. Let me actually look that up. And remember, it was something interesting. Approximation of pi fraction. There's 22 over 7. Yeah. Oh yeah, and there's 355 over 113. There's also apparently 4 times 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 1 over 7 plus 1 over 9 minus etc., etc. Is that one? But yeah, whoops. I didn't mean to grab the color. As it keeps going or whatever. Wait, I don't want to erase pi. But... Or maybe that is just the equation for pi. That'd be fucking silly. I don't think so. I think that is just an approximation. Anyways, don't tell your math teacher. Don't tell your other math teacher that I don't know that. And I think we have one more thing only. What was it? I guess percentages. You print that number on paper, you need about 2.87 billion sheets. Okay. So that's how accurate it is. Percentages. So, let's say, yeah, let's do the fucking stupid example earlier of those six crewmates and 1 imposter, whatever the fuck. Anyways, so 1 over 7 is what percent? Percent is just anything over 100. Yeah, pi is irrational. It might be talking about the approximation that I showed earlier. But anyways, yeah, that might be as far as pi has been calculated at the moment. But anyways, so we want to express 1 over 7 as, well, I mean, here's the easy way to do it, is we just divide. Whoops. So, yeah, well, let me do it correctly. 1 divided by 7. Get more Pac-Mans. What about imaginary numbers? We don't need to get into that now. No, not today. This is pre-algebra. But Yeah. So 7 can't go into 1. So 0 point. So yeah, 1. Carry the bring the 0 down. It can go in there 1 time. Minus 7, we get 3. 0. They can go in there 3 times. Minus 27. We get 3 again. Wait, no. Hold on. They can go in there 4 times. This is what the eraser on your pencil's for. 28. We get 2, 0. They can go in there. According to unofficial announcement, the calculation 100 trillion digits took 371 days and an additional 45 hours to verify. My system could to yeah. Yeah, and that's not the end of pi though. That's just as far as it has been calculated. Yeah, yeah, 20. What? 2 leaves 6. Wait, what? What are you talking about? Uh, yeah, and then we can do minus 14. Oh yeah, like so. Wait, hold on. Yeah, 2 and then 60, and then what was that? 56, which is 7 times 8. At least I believe that is. Yeah, 7 times 8. 7 times 4 times 2. Yeah, 56. Uh, it doesn't end like that, but so we end up with, well, yeah, no. We need another next number. Minus 56. Equals 4. So 40 divided by 7, we can get 29, 42, 35, yeah. 5. So we want to round this. So we want to round this number to the nearest digit. So we have to. We'd end up rounding that up to. That goes up to a 9. So 0.14. Oops. To 9. So 1 divided by 7 equals that. To know what percent that is, it's just you move the digit 2 spaces over. It's the same as net. Not divided by 100. This will require a little bit of algebra, so we'll get into that later. I'll have to make a note of that. But 14.29%. You just move the digit over twice because it's the same as is it the same as no, the exact opposite. Oh, whatever. But anyways, yeah, 1%. Yeah, out of 100. But no, you don't multiply it, or you don't divide it by 100. But yeah, that's so if you want to multiply, if you want to find the percent of something, so if you want to find, let's say, 35% of, I don't know, 20. What you want to do is you want to convert that percentage into a fraction or into a decimal. So, if you want to convert it into a decimal, good morning, Wombat. Welcome to math. If you want to convert it into decimal, it's just simply 0.35 and multiply it by the number that you're trying to find the percent of times 20, which in this case would just be, let's see. Yeah, I skipped over decimals. So you can imagine it's, no, don't imagine it like that. I should explain that actually right after this. No, no color option on there. Damn it. I deleted that. Anyways, so we'll end up with 7. Oops. So 35% of 20 is 7. In case you were wondering. I think. Uh, that should make sense, right? Wait, am I crazy? Hold on. Yeah, this is correct. So we could also write this as, I need more space up here. 35 over 100 times, what was it, 20? 20 over 1. Cross multiplying by putting the 20 over 100 and the 35 over something. I mean, we could just do it like this. Oh, cross multiplying supposed to be basically algebra? We'll get into that. Not right now. This is pre-algebra. But anyways, yeah, we can go ahead and factorize this nonsense out. So, yeah, we can just 20 goes into 105 times. And we know that 100 is let's see, 5 times 20. So we can just cross those out and we'll end up with 35 over 5, which equals 7. And there you go. Yeah, so 35% of 20 is 7. There it is, solved 2 different ways. And then let's actually look into decimals now. So barely. And then we can move on to the test. Decimals kinda. So another way of expressing any number is scientific notation. Am I a real math teacher? Absolutely not. So let's say we got the 7,000. That's the same as... Okay, so let's take another quick look at exponents. So if you do 10 to the power of 2, that equals 100. If we do 10 to the power of 3, that equals 1,000. Power of 4, 10,000, etc. As far as everything goes, 10 to the power of whatever. The free virtual tutor. I am a free virtual tutor at this very moment. We end up with 1 followed by that many zeros. And imagine this. 10 to the power of -1. So 1 over 10 equals 0.1. So you can think of it as that 0 with that many, 1 with that many zeros on the other side. 10 to the power of -2 equals 0.01. 10 to the power... Yeah, you always need math. How else are you going to calculate how much experience you need to level up? And how many... how long it'll take to level up when you're grinding? 10 to the power of -3, 0.001, etc., etc. So, that means you can write a number like 7,000 as 7 times 10 to the power of 3. Calculate your wages. Do your taxes. Budget. Anyways, that's exactly the same number. Uh, Also, if you have 0.0007, you could write it as 7 times 10 to the negative 3. Yeah. Uh, Even a number like 5, 56.11 equals 5.611 times 10 to the power of 1. This is wait, no. Yeah. This is scientific notation. So in case you were wondering, I guess. There you go. All right. Thought this was math. This is. It's a notation. Uh, who's ready for the test? Uh. Oh wait, I never explained PEMDAS. Hold on. Oh fuck. This is the very last thing, and then we're ready for the test. Order of operations. Test? Yeah. You all know about Kahoot, right? You writing the SpongeBob voice? I see. I'm a teacher, so I don't understand. Did I misspell operations? Is there two P's in that? I did not. Oh, think fuck. So whatever you do, remember PEMDAS. Uh, SpongeBob is more boomer, so this is why I had to go through parentheses and exponents before. And now we've got multiplication. Uh, hmm. Pogger's epic mid-dank ass sheesh. Help empirical MD Anderson sick. Excuse me? Uh, yes. No. There we go. So, when you solve an equation, you have to do it in order of everything within parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So, MD Anderson Cancer Research Place. I did not know that. So say you've got the, I don't know, 5 plus 3 times 6 plus 4 minus 4 to the power of 3 divided by 3. There you go. So here's an equation. If you just did it in order, so you did 4 plus 3, and then times 6 plus 4 minus 4 to the power of 3, and then divided that all by 3, you would get everything fucking incorrect. You'd be executed in this classroom. So let's walk it through PEMDAS. So parentheses, everything in the parentheses, there's only addition and subtraction. Pregnant Epic, Mickey, Donald, Aladdin, and Scrooge. Of course you bring it back to mpreg. Somehow. Anyways, let's do this. So, we can add these. That's 10. So we get 5 plus 3 times 10. If you put a number directly, those were words. If you put a number directly next to a parentheses, that's just shorthand for multiplication, like so. Minus 4 to the power of 3 divided by 3. So we can just, there's only one number in there, we can erase the parentheses. It's the same as 3 times 10. No more parentheses. So we've got an exponent. So we have to do that. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. So now, 5 plus 3 times 10 minus 64 over 3. And now we can do multiplication and division. So that's 30. 64 divided by 3 is, what is that? 13 and 1/3. Yeah. No, not 13. 31 and 1/3? No, 21 and 1/3. Yeah. So 63 is divisible by 3. 64 is the number of dirt blocks Notch says is just enough before someone has too much power. Yeah. And it's because it's a bit. Computers are written in binary. So binary is just, this is 1. Multiples of 8. A bit is, I don't remember exactly how many. A bit is just 1, I thought, right? So 2. So 1 is 1. You add 1 to that. Binary is only 1s and 0s, so there's no other number to go to, so it just goes to 1 and then a 0. That's 2. 1, 1. That's 3. 1, 0, 0. That's 4. 1, 0, 1. 5. Etc. Yeah, 1 followed by the 3 zeros or whatever is 8. So the reason why I went back to this page is because doing an exponent of a number like a 10 or whatever works like this. How do I know so much? Minecraft programming. Minecraft Redstone. Anyways. So let's do in binary. Well, I guess we don't need to do the exponent in binary, but so if we had 2 to the power of, so yeah, computers work in bits because it's just on or off. Because that's as far as you can measure electricity currently. Smartphone Minecraft. But anyways, so yeah, to the power of 3. Well, fuck it, let's write it in binary. But yeah, that'd be 8. What would convert to 8? That would be 1 followed by 3 zeros, which is 8, etc., etc. Anyways, yeah, that's why 64 is some crazy numbers. Was it 4 to the power of 4? So that's 2 to the power of 5? Yeah. Fuck. Wait, hold on, let me double check. So 1 is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. More in Python. Yeah, exactly. The electricity has on or off. Yeah, that's why it's base 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuck. I messed up. Oh yeah, when you okay. Hmm. Yeah, you add the exponents together when you do it like that. Here's another neat tip. So say you have uh 4 to the power of 4. Like my great teacher. We are in fact learning, talking about exponents at this moment. So that's the same as 2 to the power of 2. Yeah, because 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 times itself once. Whatever. 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. If you want to take an exponent of something with an exponent, you add them together. Now, is that your goal? Do you want detention? To the power of 6? It's not like this isn't necessary. And then, yeah, if you want to take it, let's see, 16 to the power of 4, we could take that as 2 to the, so, yeah, 16 is, 2 to the power of 4, to the power of 4 would be 2 to the power of 8, which would be 64 times 4. The dog learned. Okay, good. I taught a new dog new tricks. But anyways, yeah. So we've done our multiplication and division. So yeah. Now here's the equation we were working on. 5 plus 3 times 6 plus 4 in parentheses minus 4 to the power of 3 divided by 3. Add exponents in code? No. If you have an exponential exponent, you add them together. So 5 to the power of 300 to the power of 5 is the same as 5 to the power of 305. There you go. I believe. If I got that wrong, too late. Anyways, so we've already added together the items in the parentheses. We've gotten 10. Not multiplying exponents. Squaring exponents and whatnot. So, anyways, you can stop now. And then we do the exponent here. We get 64. And I didn't even get to finish writing the fraction. And then we get... So now I do the multiplication and division. And 3 times 10 equals 30. And 64 over 3 equals 21 and 1/3. So now we have 5 plus 30 minus 21 and 1/3. And now, there we go. We end up with 35. We just do it left to right. This all will simplify together, so no matter what order we do it, it should end up correct. As long as we pay attention to positives and negatives. Minus 21 and 1/3. So we end up with 14, so 13 and 2/3. There we go. So that's how you do that the proper way. But yeah, if you want to multiply exponents, I believe you just... I don't remember. Doesn't matter. Yeah, we'll get to that in algebra. Is there anything left? Oh, yeah. Fractions part I forgot. If you want to add together different fractions... I thought you were still trying to do it on purpose. Dan, thanks for the bits. So, yeah, let's say you want to add 3/4 plus, I don't know, 5/6. Yeah, this is what cross multiplication is for. What you want to do first is get them both into the same number. So, you multiply both sides by 6 and both sides by... you multiply the top and the bottom of this by 6, and you multiply the top and the bottom of this by 4. So, there we go. So what we end up with is 18 over 24 plus 20 over 24. And now, since the bottom halves are the same, yeah, if you want to add fractions together, they need to have the same denominator. I never paid too much attention to the vocabulary because it doesn't help you solve. It just helps you explain it to other people. Now I'm needing that. This is the numerator and that's the denominator? Who cares? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, that equals 38 over 24. Okay, yeah. Nice. And then we can go ahead and do that. That's 1 and 14 over 20. Let's do it with room. 1 and 14 over 24. And we can divide that. Equals 1 and 7 over 12. And there we go. Now, the thing is, you may have noticed, we had to reduce it. I forgot exactly how this worked. I think if you notice a number that's in both of them, so yeah. Well, I guess here's an easier way of doing it, or a different way. 3 over 4 equals 3 over 2 times 2. 5 over 2 times 3. So, instead of multiplying both sides by the opposite number, what we can do is, let's see, so we can multiply this by 3 to get 3 times 3 over 2 times 2 times 3 plus, and now this needs a 2, so 5 times 2 over 2 times 3 times 2. So these are both the same now, and these aren't. So that's 12. The top ones are 9 plus 10 over 12, which equals, I'm running out of room, 19 over 12, which we can then reduce down to 1 and 7 over 12. So that's why factors were important, is for running out of room in the goddamn whiteboard. Anyways. Okay. Now I can set up the test. Oh, bad. Too much thinking. Okay. So let's see. Where's the Kahoot link? No, yeah, Kahoot.it. So here you go. I'll open that. It's best if you have it open in another window. You can just have half the screen one thing and half the screen the other. If you have a phone, that works as well. But you're gonna need Kahoot open in order to answer the questions. And now, yeah, who's ready for the Kahoot quiz? I may have hastily put this together. Now, let me go ahead and log in. Oh, well, it's not on screen, so it's fine. Uh, how much is it worth? Two monitors? Yeah, yeah. If you got two, use the other. How much is? Oh, the in terms of points. No, you get you get a free. Whoever gets first place gets a. I don't know. You get to choose a a stream for next week or some bullshit like that. Uh, or and second and third place get a line read. I don't know. Anyways, if you're the rewards will go to whoever has the closest username to whoever got the highest score. So if you use a funny name and you get first place, you won't actually get anything. There we go. I guess you could use someone else's name and give them the points. Apex Legends, what? What does that have to do with anything? What do you mean? Oh god. Kurogiri? What? Okay, how do we host? Hold on. Where are mine? Here we go. Oh. Oh, you can assign it. I never knew that. So classic game options. Hmm. Friendly nickname generator? That's shit. Oh, I'm gonna be playing Apex. Oh. Uh if it's something that I can't actually get working, I don't know if Apex works on Linux. We'll see. Uh oh, you can show the question and answers on the Oh, I assume I may as well do that. Hmm. We'll see if this helps. If that doesn't work, I guess let me know. But okay. So now let me go ahead and put that up on screen. All right, and wait. No, 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 no. Different browser. Or different source. Hold on. One technical thing. Uh There we go. I already had this slightly set up. There we go. Just so it crops off the address and whatnot. Okay. There we go. The Kahoot pin docs. Let's go. Okay. Here we are. So type in that pin. I never went to university. I just did a little bit of math for fun on the side, but I never did statistics in school. But I did do. I don't know. I don't remember how far I got. I did do calculus and all that. I see. I see. Hmm. Uh. No. Hmm. Some people aren't playing to win. I see. uh. Kroagi. Hmm. All right. Who would do that? Exactly. Yeah, second and third place. I guess you get a free free line read. I don't know. Is there anyone else left? Now it should show the questions on your own device. I think. Oh no. Uh. Hmm. I guess I'll give it a minute. So if anyone currently asleep wants to take the test, uh, you've got a little bit to figure out how to join. Uh, hmm. Yeah, once the clock ticks over. Oh no, someone left already. Uh, no. Uh, you got like, I don't know, about 30 seconds left. Hmm. Man of threes. Eh? No, I'm surprised I know, like, nothing that you put in there to try to get the teacher to say, you know? Alright. There was 8 people. I was gonna lock it, but where'd you go? Uh, hmm. Well, I said 30 seconds almost a minute ago. I see. Stream delay. It should show you the stuff. Good class. Hmm. Okay. Uh. Okay. Yeah. We've been. I don't think stream delay is over a minute or over 30 seconds at this point. It might be. No, it's just the volume. How do I put it all the way up? Yeah, let's go. All right. Both. I see. All right, let's go. I should have done one at the start. So yeah, the first is operations review. There you go. I may have been in a rush, but here we go. So, I guess 3 plus 4. This is a very basic review. This shouldn't be hard. Okay. Oh, show media. Wait, nah, wrong button. Okay, yeah, everyone got that right. I'm surprised. Hmm. It is based on speed. Okay. I really should have done this at the start to gauge everything. Okay, everyone got it right. No. Alright. These are the basic ones. So this is basically just the test of speed. Oh no. Can I click on it? Who got that one? Karagi didn't get that one wrong. Oh no. I didn't see who that was. Okay. Alright. Oh no. That looks like a misclick. Hmm. Alright. 4 to the power of 2. uh. Okay, good. Yeah, are these all showing up on your devices? Hmm. Yeah, I think it'd be a lot more fun to have a review at the start of the stream, and then okay, okay. So I assume that gets rid of the whole stream delay advantage. Hmm. Okay. And now we're on to decimals. Yeah. I didn't teach these that much. Oh shit, yeah, I didn't really teach this at all. Oh no. Now I really want to go back and see who missed which ones. Hmm. Alright. Oh no. What do you mean, oh no? Oh. Oh, really? Oh, the top three were the ones that got it right. Shit. Hmm. See me after class. Uh, I think I put the correct one as the answer. Okay, good. Yo, nice. Alright. Bunga bunga numbers. Hell yeah. Yeah. Oh, 50-50. I see. No, no. Uh, what? 5, and then 5 plus 1/2 of 5. Yeah. Yeah, I really should have taught decimals better. Hmm. uh, 25 times 40. Ah. Oh. No. Uh, quarter of both. Hey, no. Yeah, here's PEMDAS. This thing. This is too hard. Mm. Anyways. Yeah, now we're on to the PEMDAS ones. All right, hey. No, no saying fucking class. Okay. All right. You ready? These are the more difficult ones. These are more time consuming, I think, for the most part. Just a little bit. Okay, good. All right. Oh, interesting. All right, and now this is the final one I wrote. Your answer isn't that, goddammit. So this one's a bit longer. The dog's on a hot streak. Oh no. F. Uh, oh wait, an answer streak of 3. Never mind. Uh, Good morning, Zero Skies. Yeah, I didn't know math was a category until I checked. Like, just right beforehand. Okay. And there we go. Uh, really, no one got 100%. Interesting. All right. Uh, so you had 3 accounts. I see. I thought. Congratulations on getting first place. All you. Yeah. No points for you. Isn't the? Hold on. Six times 0.3 was a difficult question. Uh, yeah. Interesting. No, that's fine. Third place goes all the way down. R was also not one. That it should have shown the questions on your device. So that should have worked, right? Should subtraction take place at the same time? Yeah. It shouldn't actually make a difference. Oh no. Uh, but yeah, so Karagi got third place by default. Yeah, let's unshare the screen. Right. Ready for 7th grade. I see. I thought you were a teacher. Uh, yeah. Let's let's view the full report. Uh, so yeah, Python got first place. Xavier VT got second place, and no points for you. I was wondering who that was. Got the defaults down, and R defaults down. Didn't show the questions in your device. Huh. Weird. And then Karagi is third place. Uh, all right. Yeah. I can check who missed what questions. Yeah, I see. You got negative 15. No, thanks to the sub. Hmm. Uh, okay. Hmm. Yeah, the powerful dog. Oh, Beard and Kroagi didn't actually answer any questions at all. Hmm. So I guess Python, you get the you get to choose a stream. I don't know. I guess stream idea. Unless you want a different something else as the reward. I don't have anything set in stone. Oh shit, yeah, Karagi only missed 2. Interesting. Yeah, Bro got the 25 times 40 or 0.25. Hmm. Yeah. Uh, like some really challenging game. Bad at math. Yeah, you only missed two. Stream idea, yeah. I guess. Or I guess if you want, you could just get a line read, pass that down to the next person. I don't know. Uh, hmm. Does Kahoot have audio too? Yeah. It plays funky music. Hmm. Not when you're looking at test scores or whatever. Oh, Craigie didn't answer the first question. The dog was late. Uh, oh, calc and discrete math thought you'd do everything written down, so as we're doing it mentally. I see. Fair enough. Cat Mario. Hmm. The audio for questions. You can do something like that. Hmm. You can insert media into your questions. Let's see. Create button. Uh, just insert media. Uh, the Oh, you can do text to speech. Okay. Uh, hmm. All right.
Math is cool, I swear. Math is cool, I swear.
It's not reading anything aloud. What the hell?
Math is cool, I swear.
Wait, what?
Math is cool, I swear.
Preparing questions audio only. Hmm.
Math is cool, I swear.
It has text to speech available, but it's not
Math is
actually
cool, I
working.
swear.
Is it just very quiet?
Math is cool, I swear.
Oh, it's just nearly inaudible. Interesting. Like horror games. They're okay. The thing is, though, I'll have to buy the game, whatever it is. Which is why I don't know. Yeah, uploading audio files might work. Let's try that.
Math is cool.
Wait. Now I can upload an image. I can use a YouTube link. That's it. Maybe free and based and run on Linux. Free games exist, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, apparently you can't. I mean, I can do like
Math is cool, I swear.
2 plus 2. Like Cat Mario, I guess. I don't think so. Hmm. Let's see. Maybe Morning Fish Bombly. Oh yeah, you missed out. Missed out on most of it. Uh. Hmm. Teaching license was taken in the divorce. That's why I'm doing it over a stream instead. Digital board game with viewers. Maybe. You might have to win. You might have to win a round for that. I need a license to teach children. You can give them a lesson in the school of hard knocks. Scribblio scream. Scribblio scream. Okay. Scribble.io. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Who needs math in life? Everyone, it's fun. No, does anyone have any math homework? I kind of want to do some math homework. Wait, yeah, let's look up. I don't know, 7th grade math homework. Okay, yeah. I guess next week I'll do a Scriblio stream on this day. Scribble.io, not Scriblio. Okay, no, I like Scriblio more. I'll have to come up with a custom list of words. Uh, yeah, it's got linear equations in there. Hmm. Yeah, this is algebra. Uh, yeah, Discord. And no, I mean you just ask a question. I think. Well, I mean I do have a Discord. I don't have a server. I'm scared of it. Uh, yeah, I forgot to teach decimals properly. That's my fault. Don't know how years work in America. Fair enough. Any class is fine. Every 365 days, another year passes. Every 365 days, a year passes in America. 17 times 55. Oops. They go all the way down there. Linear algebra Kahoot might be challenging. Yeah, a little bit. You can increase the time limits. 365.4. I see. No, in America. Let's see. Here's the mind killer. It's more Xenocat though. Uh, so yeah, simply 17, 55. Let's do 5 times 7, 35, 50, and then I guess, oops, 35 and 50. Well, I guess 35, 350, and then 500. Then end up with 5, 13, carry the 1, 9. 935. February 29th, though. Yeah. It's freedom units, though. Yeah, exactly. All right, all right, all right, all right. Hmm. Uh. Okay. Now what? Uh. Hmm. Maybe I'll give a taste of algebra. Hmm. So this is just a simple linear equation. Uh. Is the first one. 9x plus 5 equals 41. So. Hmm. So we want to solve for x. We want to get x on one side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both. So we get 9x equals 36. And then we divide by 9. So we get x equals 4. There we go. I'm a math magician. Okay. Uh, hmm. Yeah, I think. Oh yeah. Second and third place get a free line read, I guess. Uh, we got second and third. Let's go back from there. Hey, Xavier VT. You get a and Karagi. Hmm. It's just the free. Uh. Hmm. Yeah, free copy pasta reading basically. What's a line read? Exactly. A line read is it's like a book, very short. No. Hmm. It's a type of plant used for fishing. That's why it's called a fishing line. That's completely false. Hmm. Oh no. Oh, maybe Xavier BT already left. Uh. Hmm. Oh yeah, it shows you what what students need help and which ones didn't finish. Oh yeah. Oh, read the Bible. I think very long. I see. Uh, I guess I could save it for later. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, you could ask for a dumb copy pasta. Absolutely. I won't. I won't do anything rude. Savable. I guess. I'll write it down on a note card. Hmm. I guess if Python wants one as well. Okay, so does he get first place? It'd be weird to not give a first place something. Clips at the ready. I see. Hmm. Uh, Nothing too yab. I refuse. You're more an oblate. You missed the rest of the math. Uh, as far as stuff that I haven't played. Hmm. Not really. Uh, Yabe? Super Yabe? Oh, you hate math. It's been math the whole stream. It's good. Hmm. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna read anything that would actually be mean. Not this time. Not anymore. Uh, hmm. Yeah, that's nice that it shows you which students need help and which ones didn't finish. All right. How can you hate maths? By not doing it that much. Uh, Oh yeah, you can see the average time that it took for each question. Oh, he grew up now. He knows he must be proper teacher. Too many numbers. The fun part. Hmm. Yeah, I guess you might need scratch paper for some of the other ones. Hmm. Uh, one's easy though. Oh yeah, I've got this stuff. The the homework. Uh, but yeah, you can do a lot of fun stuff. Lots of letters and graphs. That's even more fun. Use it since I'm in the teaching attire. You found it on Reddit. You know exactly how to pick the worst ones. Uh, really, really. Uh, I guess that's fair enough. All right, Karagi's debt has been paid. Student asked me today, "Do I need to wear a mask when taking a dump?" I told him it can't really be enforced. He responded by looking me dead in the eye, tearing off his mask, and grunting in an effort to shit his pants. I teach ninth grade. What the fuck is this? uh, uh, all right. Interesting story. That didn't happen to me. Uh, Based in Shipville. This Karagi's line read. Uh, ah, I should end the stream soon, but yeah, next week. Uh, fuck, that's crazy. Good morning, Group and Bob. Hey, you love hate that. If you want more comedy like that, study. uh, so, mm, uh, so, for pre-algebra, we did that today. It's Friday. So next Friday, we'll do. Okay, thanks for the clip. Uh, we'll do. Yeah. No one said the handwriting had to be neat. Wait, no. Scribble IO, and then next Friday we'll do Algebra 1. Hmm. Maybe a different reward other than an entire stream would be good because I want to do at least a refresher beforehand. If I can think of something, I will. But anyways, yeah. Thank you all for showing up and having a good time. Let's see who's currently online. This is a bit earlier than I normally end my streams. Uh, but base stream. Yeah, let's go. Hmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Corpse. You weren't in the Kahoot. You fool. Hmm. Actually, yeah. Tomorrow's Hollow Knight, which I'm gonna be playing for several hours until about 2 p.m. because Karagi is streaming. Uh, the Return of the Dog. So, it would not have been fair. You could defer your reward to anyone else. uh, but let's see. Oh shit! Thank you for the subreddit brand. Uh, yeah, there's this dude I've been following, checking out every once in a while. Because I was putting together that weird like the Hornet Part 2 is the first boss route, and he's got some cool videos on low percent and all that. So I'm gonna do the impossible and rate a non VTuber for once. Uh Shit, and thank you for the sub, dude boy. Uh Scribble will take up like 20 minutes of stream. I was thinking of doing the whole stream like that. Hmm. I'll have to figure out what to do. I've got plenty of time before the schedule. But I assume it's gonna be Tassie and Hollow Knight for the stream. But yeah, have a good day, everyone. And math is fun. All right. Who's even left as a non VTuber? You. No. All right, have a good one, everyone.